Hello everyone, again welcome back. In last video, my phone battery low and it's automatically video off. So anyway, now battery full charged. We will again continue that spoken English class. In my first video, I already told about you the 4 videos you have to watch. So in my first video, this is the spoken English issues. Today now I am going to discuss about this. So let's continue. Okay, so come back to spoken English issues. What are the spoken English issues? Why many people can't speak in English fluently? What are the issues? What are the fears? What are the hesitations we are going to discuss in this video? So, speak English like a native. Introduction. Everyone feels English is a difficult language. English is restricted only during school hours, right? We being born and brought up in India use native languages in our day-to-day life. We belong to the family of native language speakers, obviously. Next, every time we speak vocabulary, slang and grammar worries us. This leads to the fear of making mistakes. Okay. Next, pushing us further to use the local language to such an extent that even the teaching of English in schools and colleges are translated to regional language. Hence, English for us is a foreign language. Aim: to study the issues regarding spoken English. What are the issues? We are going to discuss right now the issues. So first issues we are going to discuss is the poor vocabulary. Next, second, unable to express thoughts. Next, fear or reputation at stake. Next, lack of preparation. How to swim and scaring like this. Next, fumble means fumbling or stammering. Next, lack of proper guidance. Next, pessimism. Next, poor grammar. Next, hesitation. Next, lack of fluency. So these are the issues related with us. So what is the solution? So next come to the solution. Oxford Dictionary of English is the solutions. Vocabulary can be improved by reading dictionary, speaking loudly, be brave in what you do. Next, writing is the best way to prepare yourself. Next, repeating and speaking loudly overcomes fumbling. Okay. Next, join skill courses to overcome guidance problems. Next, consistency and timing can overcome pessimism. Next, framing new sentences, speaking slowly can overcome grammar problem. Next, denouncing as barrier to learn helps to overcome hesitation. Next, practice to improve fluency. Means you have to improve your fluency by more and more practice you require. Conclusion: English should be taught at an early age. Next, rectification of the problems on individual basis. Next, solutions appear simple but are difficult to implement. Child should be encouraged to speak at their early age and learn by their mistakes. Students should form teams to express and correct each other without being let down. Teachers must encourage the students to speak and later rectify their problems. Next, problems can be solved by bold determination from students, teachers, and administration. The take home message is think in English, write in English, speak in English, for English is the international language which is essential for every man in some form or the other in our daily life. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. I hope you all. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. I hope you all got the idea why and what are the issues with us. Why we are not speaking English. What are the issues? Today we discussed about this. Already discussion over. So in next video we are going to discuss another thing for how to improve the spoken English. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.